What's up, Team Official, man? I am back with another video delivering the goods like I always do, man. But today is a special day. Alright? Today is the day we received our 100 subscriber play button. Let me show y'all. Like, it's amazing. Like, very amazing. Like, you see this? Like 100 subscriber play button. It is crazy. I'm very ecstatic. Like, I know what some of y'all are thinking. That's just a piece of paper with horrible drawing on it that I did. But no, I did not do this. This here is not anything of my actions, okay? I even have a video on the YouTube company creating my play button for me, okay? Matter of fact, here's the video. You guys, this is not me creating the YouTube play button. This is the company drawing out my play button for me. They are putting it on paper so they can print it out for me. Okay, you guys, this is, once again, this is not me. Like, why would I create a fake play button? Like, come on now. Like, are you serious? Like, I don't need to create fake play buttons, you guys. Like, and that's them drawing their YouTube logo and their names and everything like that. And that's them drawing my channel name. They almost ran out of room on my wires. Oh man. Oh man. Guys, the hand right there, that's just a black glove, okay? They can take that glove off. I don't know why they have it on there. I don't know why they have gloves on. Probably not to scratch my play button up. Once again, you guys, this is not me, okay? That is not me drawing this play button. Okay, you guys, it is not me. Now they're giving y'all a overlook on how my play button looks so far. This is not me, you guys. Disclaimer, okay? This is not me. This is amazing. All right, you guys. This is amazing. They sent me a video of them creating my play button. Oh my gosh. So amazing. I can't wait to get it in the mail. Guys, just one final look at my play button they created for me. I did not create this play button. It is amazing, okay? I am so proud. Nah, but to be honest, man, thank you for the 100 subscribers. See, I know it's not much to y'all and everything, but to me, it's a lot, okay? Like, getting your first 100 subscribers, trying to get your first 100 is very hard. Then after that, I guess it should be easy. from here on out, since I know what to do and everything and stuff like that. But like, it's just crazy because like I ain't really take YouTube seriously at first. Like before I started taking it more serious, like I still don't take it like 100% serious on how I should. Like I see like I am at a 80%, but as far as that, I mean, I'm gonna keep on growing more, getting better quality, better content, better audio, and all that stuff for y'all. But at first, like, I had 32 subscribers before I started taking it just a little bit more serious. Like, so I already came in. So basically, I had it somewhat easier than others that started out as with 0. I had 32. Like, I don't know how I got. Well, yeah, I kind of do know how I got it. See, I was lucky. The first video I ever posted, which is probably back in like 2011, 2013. I'm not sure, but that got 1,800 views. So I kind of got lucky. All right, so like, and as time went on, I didn't really care for it, I should say, but you know, as I was just going to work and everything day after day, I was just like, man, I need something. I need to do something so I can get out of work. I mean, I was just tired of working, so I might as well make money somehow doing what I love to do. I love making videos and everything, and putting it out just for people to see, you know, just to see what I do with my life, with my time and everything. When I first started out and everything, well, not when I first started out, like when I started taking it a little bit more serious, I was only in it for the money, I should say. Like when I first started taking it more serious. And this is like I would probably say like last year or so, where I was just in it for the money. And by me just going by that, just trying to be in it for the money, I wasn't going nowhere. My videos weren't going nowhere. Quality and everything was just horrible. Like I really didn't care for it. So then I just came to a stop. Like, why am I doing this? Ain't nobody gonna watch my videos. I'm not gonna get no subscribers. I'm not gonna get no 10,000 to 1,000,000 views like these other people are. Like, there's no point of me doing this. So I just stopped altogether. So then I came back to it. I'm like, man, you know what? Forget the money. I don't care about it. I'm gonna just make videos, put it up on YouTube. You know, just to do something. You know, just for the love of making videos. So then, as I started doing that and everything, people started watching the videos, but I wasn't getting as much playtime as I wanted, yeah. But I just stayed consistent somewhat stayed consistent. And as time went on, I started getting more plays, more views. The subscriber count was still moving kind of slow. Still moving slow. I was stuck at 32 for the longest, and then I gained 2 subscribers. And then I was stuck at 34 for a good little while. But I was getting okay, well, not even okay. I was getting some alright views, I guess. For me, they were alright. Like 50 views and stuff like that. That for me, that's alright. That lets me know something's going on. Something's working. I don't know what's working, but something is working. So I didn't really start gaining more subscribers day after day and getting more watch time until Danielle. No, not Danielle. That's a little further up. My man's, I forgot his name, but I know his Twitter name is You Funny B. Beanard. Yeah. When he made the whole Billy Bounce Dance Battle Part 1, that's when my channel started taking off. Just reacting to videos. So that video, I think, hit 600. Then from there, I started getting more views, getting more subscribers. I went from 34 subscribers to 50 something after I reacted to Beanard's dance battle video. That video would be in the description below if y'all want to see that one. The first video, that video which got me a huge jump. And then time went on, things starts. I sound drunk, don't I? But things started dropping back down a little now, until Danielle made a video. So I'm like, okay, she made a video. She's popular. She's a trendy girl. So in my head, I'm just like, you know what? I did good on the Beanard video, on the dance battle video. Let's go ahead and do it again. Boom. Set it up with the Danielle reaction. Boom. And that video hit 1,500 views. That definitely blew my channel up somewhat. Then I went from 50 subscribers to like 80 something. 80 to 90 something subscribers. I went from 30 to 50, then 50 to 80 to 90 subscribers. Like, and then from there on out, videos they weren't as high as the 1,500, the Danielle video, which is 1,500, which I think my highest video is the very first video I uploaded, and that has 1,800, and the second is the Danielle video. And then, but yeah, from there, things just started getting better. Like, I'm just seeing people subscribing day by day. I gained at least one or two subscribers, at least day by day, at least one day each. Then things was just getting better and better. So then Danielle put out another video. Boom. More watch time, more subscribers. But some of those videos, they didn't get the views that they should have had, because I got copyrighted by WMG, but they didn't give me no copyright strike. They just copyrighted it, and some of the videos they said I can use. Some of them is just blocked worldwide. Some are just blocked in certain countries. I don't have a copyright strikes, but just know I got copyrighted though in some of my videos. But they was just making it hard for me to gain subscribers. But if y'all want me to go into depth and make a video into depth on how I grew my channel from 34 to 100 real quick, then I will make a video, and that'll be up sometime, probably tomorrow, or forget it, 5 likes and I will make it today, have it up tomorrow. 10 likes and I will make it and have it up tonight. Let's do that. 5 likes for tomorrow, for making it today, uploading it tomorrow. I'm gonna make it anyway and upload it anyway, but just 5 likes for uploading it tomorrow. 10 likes to upload it tonight. But yeah, anyways, man, hit that subscribe button, comment, like, do whatever, man. I'm just happy I got my 100 subscribers. Thank y'all to everyone that subscribed to my channel. But without further ado, y'all, I am out. See y'all in more videos. Go on, Team Official.
And I'm from the part of the city that they don't be talking about. Hey, Austin, my grandmama house. Hey, Madhouse on Madison, middle school graduate, could have been trafficking, but I would rather do better than my uncle had it. My head to the sky like a Jazzy White backflip. Yeah, hey, Westside nigga go crazy. Yeah, Westside nigga go crazy. Westside nigga go crazy. Oh, and I'm from the part of the city that they don't be talking about. Austin.